everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kani and I will be your instructor for today. So what are we making today? Today I am going to show you how to turn your wood toppers into a gold topper. Alright, so this is an old baby topper that I collected this afternoon, and we are going to take it from this wood brownish shade into a gold color shade. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so I'm going to take this very plastic, alright, and I just use that to paint my topper on top of. So we're going to place the topper on the plastic, and this is the edible paint that we did together. I'll link the video up here so that you can refer back. So it is edible gold paint and sanitizer. You can also use vodka or any spirit. All right, so I've already made it here. As you can see, this is our gold paint, and I'm just going to paint it. All right, let me just show you. You can see it instantly turns gold. All right, so this is how I paint my toppers. Just go in with the lines there, and then just go down to the B and so forth. Right, so that is that. All right, so I'll just continue painting it and I'll show you the end product. All right, so here's our topper. It's painted now, it's bold, it's popping. It is now a gold topper. So we took it from the wood topper to a gold shade. Literally, it'll take you under 1 minute, depending on the text and how thin maybe it was cut, but this was cut very nice and thick, so it was quite easy to go onto each letter and just paint on top of them. All right, so this is this. And then this topper doesn't have a stick. It's meant to go on the front of the cake, so that's why it doesn't have a stick. So I'm going to place this topper on my cake, on the front of the cake, and then it was basically the centerpiece. All right, thank you so much for watching, everyone. That's it for today's tutorial, and I hope to see you in the next video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you so much once again for watching. Thanks, everyone. Bye.